I hope you are doing great. So you're welcome back to our page once again at Sholex Farms. So for the lovers of smoked catfish, so we have neatly smoked catfish for you guys today. In case you are out there, you are interested in a smoked catfish, you can send us a message to place your order. We are currently taking in orders now for now. So if you are interested in our smoked catfish, our smoked catfish is one of a kind. It's neatly smoked and so fresh. We believe after buying from us, definitely you will come back to get more. So if you're interested in our smoked catfish, you can send us a message so that we can get yours across to you. So that will be that for today. We're expecting your orders. So thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of the day.